Boat trailer ready. This trailer wiring adapter makes it easy to retrofit your vehicle's 4-way flat to plug into your boat trailer 5-way flat, adding a 5th wire for the reverse lights and allowing compatibility with trailers with surge brakes. Easy grip. Plugging in your boat trailer wiring and lights is easy with the ergonomic design of this trailer wiring adapter. It features grips on the sides for a better grip when plugging into the vehicle or unplugging. Standard connection. This boat trailer hitch wiring adapter plugs into any standard 4-way flat and can be used to connect the tail lights, brake lights, turn signals and reverse lights, some splicing required. Easy to install. This 4-pin to 5-pin trailer adapter wiring comes ready to plug into your vehicle or trailer wiring with minimal splicing required. Durable construction. For long-lasting use and a reliable connection, the housing of this boat trailer harness adapter is made from durable molded rubber that will never rust or corrode. Top reviews from the United States. Worked as advertised. We used this adapter to connect new boat trailer lights to the 4-way flat connector on the car. It works as intended.